Hi everybody, and welcome to the Construction Zone with Miss H, where we use everyday objects to create a strong foundation for physical education. At the moment I am in my gym doing a virtual lesson for younger students, and the title is Building a Snowman. What we're going to see in just a little bit is students and I will come up with a list of 7 warm-up activities. Then we're using a Tabitha timer on the iPad to put it in sections of 20 seconds work and rest, 20 seconds work and rest. After every exercise, the class wins a piece of the snowman. Here are the 7 pieces of the snowman. An upside down laundry basket, decorated with a couple of buttons, a metal bucket. The third one is a metal bucket, a piece of paper with a clip for its face, a scarf, 2 arms, and a hat. The arms are skewers with brown paper attached to it. So after 7 different exercises, we will have all the pieces of the snowman together, and we'll have built and created a snowman together. All right, let's get started. Here we go.
5,
4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, jumping jacks. Good. Up and down, and out and in, out and in, out. You got it, guys. Good job.
3, 2, 1, rest.
There we go. All right. Oh, let's not have
From yesterday. That was from yesterday.
There we go. Right, here we go. Let's go faster. Okay, and slow it down. And faster. And slow it down. Faster.
3,
And slow it
2,
down.
1, rest. Cycle 2, complete.
Okay, the second piece. Okay, here we go. The second one with some more buttons. All right, nice. Third exercise is hops. Now remember, hopping is on 1 foot. If you get tired on one side, you switch legs. Here we go. Here, one leg gets tired, you can just switch. Good job. Switch.
3,
Looking good.
2, 1, rest. Cycle 3, complete.
Okay, the third piece. Here it comes. All right. Here we go. Use those arms. We can go backwards. And let's switch directions and go forward. Can we go forward too? Past your ears. Nice big arms.
1, rest. Cycle 4, complete.
Ooh, good exercise there. Let's get him something. Ooh, let's see. He needs a nose
Cute.
and some eyes and a mouth. There we go. Somebody had a suggestion earlier. That was a good suggestion. Kind of unique. Hi, niece. Good. Keep those hands up.
2, 1, rest. Cycle 5, complete.
All right. Oh, I think he may need some arms. Yeah, let's go get him some arms. Here we go.
Adorable.
I know, he's adorable.
And
One
that's
arm,
the same one. We did the same one.
one arm, other arm. Oh, and our next exercise is kicking.
That we did.
Kicking. Somebody said something about kicking. Kick like this. Kick like that. Very good.
3, 2, 1, rest. Cycle 6, complete.
Okay. We're going to give him something against the cold. Here we go. Here, Mr. Snowman. Here we go. A nice scarf. All right.
Nope.
One more exercise. Oh, skipping. Skipping. Remember left, right, left, right. I can skip around the snowman. If you have room at your house, skip around a little bit. But stay close so you can hear us.
3, 2, 1, rest. Cycle 7, complete.
All right, so what does he need? He's missing one thing. Oh, a hat. Let's go find it. Ta-da! All right, beautiful. So give yourself a round of applause. Good job. You helped me build a snowman and a pat on the back.